Good afternoon, everyone, and I hope you all are safe at your home. And today we learn fundamental operations. Fundamental operations are four types. First one is addition. Number two is subtraction. Number three is multiplication. Number four is division. There are four types of fundamental operation in mathematics. First one is addition, second one is subtraction, third one is multiplication, then number four is division. So today we will learn the first fundamental operation, addition. Okay? Fundamental operation, additions. First, what is addition? Addition means to put things together. Addition means to put things together. And plus is the sign of addition. Plus is the sign of addition. And the numbers which were added are called summands. The numbers which were added, the numbers which were added are called summands. Then the result of addition is called sum. The result of addition is called sum. First, the addition means to put things together. Plus is the sign of addition, and the numbers which were added were called summands, and the result of addition is called the sum. Then addition is two types. First is row method and second is column method. One is row and second is column method. Already we discussed about the how we get the additions result, and already discussed. Okay, the first, suppose examples like that. 45 addition with 22. Okay. Here is your addition sign. Okay. Here is your ones place. Here is tens place. First are the ones place. So 5 ones addition with 2 ones make 7 ones. Okay. Then 4 tens addition with 2 tens equal to 6 tens. These are the result and summands. Okay. Next is order or properties of addition. order properties of addition. Properties of addition. First property name is commutative property. First property name is commutative property. First property name is commutative property. Commutative property. What is commutative property? Now the sum will remain same. The sum will remain same if the order of the summands are changed. It means अगर हम लोग एडिशन के बीच कुछ भी चेंजेस किए नंबर को तो उसका रिजल्ट सेम होना है. सपोज लाइक दैट 35 एडिशन विथ 22. What is the result? First are the ones. 5 ones addition with 2 ones equal to 7 ones. And 3 tens addition with 2 tens make 5 tens. Similarly, when we interchange like 22 addition with 35, okay, 2 ones addition with 5 ones equal to 7 ones, and 2 tens addition with 3 tens makes 5. Okay, here is result is 57. Here is the result is 700. So it is commutative property. No change are the result. Second property name is additive identity property. Additive identity property. What is additive and identity property? When 0 is added to a number, and a number is added to 0, the number or result will remain same. Suppose 12 addition with 0. Okay, 12 addition to the result is same, no change. So 0 addition with 12, the result is also same. It is called additive identity property. The next one property name is associative property. The next property is associative property. Next property name is associative property. And what is associative property? Now, when 3 or more numbers are added together, the sum will remain irrespective of the order of addition and order of the summands. Also, no change at the result. Okay, suppose example like that, 3 or more numbers. It means 22 plus 10 plus 5. What is the result? 5 ones, then 2 ones, 7 ones. Okay. Then 1 tens, 2 tens equal to 37. Okay. Associative property 3 among it's also change. First are two numbers. Okay. 22 plus 10. Okay. Here is your 1's place, here is your 10's place. To 2 ones addition with 0 ones equal to 2. 2 tens addition with 1 tens equal to 3. So 32 result. Then the plus then another number 32 plus 5 equal to 37. Here is your 3 properties of addition. First property name is what? First property name is commutative property. Second property name is additive property. Third property name is associative property. Okay. I hope you all are understood my what is the property of addition, and how we get the addition result, and what is addition, what is summand, what is sum, and thank you. Have a nice day.